Good day, everyone. Trust you're doing well today. So last week in the market, the all share index ability to break above 193,000 and close near 195,000, strengthening bullish sentiments, which means the market has been bullish for the past 3 weeks straight. So another good news is inflation is down 15.10%. However, in another news, the MPC meeting is holding today and tomorrow. You should understand that market behavior will likely hinge on expectation for interest rate direction and liquidity stance. What does that even mean? It means if the CBN hold the current rate, well, congratulations, because the bull run may continue and you will continue to make money. And chances are the all share index could touch or probably reach around 197,000 to around that 200,000 by next week, particularly if pension fund money keeps pouring into the banking sector and industrial sector. However, if the CBN surprises everyone by hiking rates today or tomorrow, most definitely some investors will begin to take profit quickly, and some investors will begin to rebalance their portfolio, kind of reshuffle their portfolio and move more money into the fixed income market. Now, when that happens, there might likely be a slight pullback. That should create an opportunity for you, the long-term investor, to buy more stocks. Don't worry, I'll always be here, to recommend the best stocks for you to buy. But just be ready to buy more once those people leave the market. So let's see my stocks recommendation for this week. In the banking sector, I have two strong buys, in the banking sector, and they are GTCO and Zenith Bank. Now, why are they a strong buy for me? Those two banks still lead when it comes to strong earnings, high dividend expectation. And guess what? Institutional money from pension fund is still coming in, it's still pouring in. So those two banks are my strong buy in the banking sector. However, the other banking stocks I'm recommending as well, such as Access Core, FCMB, Fidelity, UBA, and Wema. So next is in the consumer goods sector. Well, you can start taking profit on Guinness, Nestle, Dangote Sugar. But if you have, Nigeria Breweries or Unilever, old, you're still good for now, just still old. Then let's now move into the industrial goods sector. In the industrial goods sector, well, it's very, very evident that people are really taking profit in this sector because I see consolidation, right? So Dangote Cement and Boa Cement is really a sell for me. Just, sell and just sell. Except for Lafarge, that's WAPCO. If you have Lafarge, just see hold for now. Next is in the oil and gas sector. If you're holding Aradel, Seplat, Total, just sell and take profit. So next in the agri sector, well, technically, Presco still has growth potential. So Presco is a buy for me. So lastly, in the ICT sector, I've been recommending Airtel for the past 3 weeks now. So I'm still recommending Airtel. Airtel is a buy. But then again, if you have MTN, hold your MTN. So that's all I have this week. Do want to support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. I'll catch you again next week. Have a nice day. Bye.